Hey there. So, let's dive into this interesting problem we have at hand. Our friend here is in the process of switching ISPs, which means dealing with the joys of having two connections at the same time. The old ISP provided a sticky IPv4 address with no IPv6, while the new one brings IPv6 and CGNAT for IPv4 into the mix. Quite the pickle, right? Our problem solver is looking to run some services at home during this transition, with the old ISP router sitting at 192.168.1, the new one at 192.160.2, and the server at 192.168.0.30. Currently, all IPv4 traffic is flowing through the old ISP, while IPv6 is riding the new ISP wave. The goal now is to change the default gateway to 192.168.2. But here's the big question. Will the traffic coming in through the old ISP, being port forwarded to the server, go back out the same way it came in? Let's find out. Solution: no, not automatically. The server will do its own thing based on its routing table for reply packets. If the default gateway points to 192.168.2, all outbound packets, including replies, will make their merry way through 192.168.2, regardless of their inbound journey. Now, how can we tackle this challenge? Well, Linux-based servers have a nifty trick up their sleeves called policy routing. By using this feature, along with IP tables, connection marks, you can set up a system where packets arriving from a specific source are marked and directed back that way. This clever setup ensures that the traffic follows the desired path, even when dealing with multiple gateways on the same interface. In summary, navigating the dual ISP dance floor requires some finesse. By leveraging policy routing and connection marking, our intrepid troubleshooter can steer traffic with precision, ensuring that packets find their way back home. And with that, we wrap up our discussion for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay connected in more ways than one.